Today's episode is Rosie's first day of daycare.
Rosie, I am going to take you to daycare because me and Dad have to go to work today.
Yay, 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 yay. Rosie loved daycare. Rosie saw it on Little Einsteins.
Rosie, I am glad you're happy. Now let's get into the car.
Rainbow, rainbow, Rosie loved rainbow.
Excuse me? Is this Miss Carson's room?
Yes, I'm Miss Carson. Look how little Rosie is.
Yep, I'm her mom and she's only 2 years old and she never been to daycare before.
Okay, I will look after Rosie, while you have to do your thing.
Okay, if you need anything or need some help and more, just call me. My email is dorasanderson@gmail.com. My phone number is 201-476-8953.
Okay.
Bye, Rosie.
Bye, Mom.
Today Rosie's dad will pick her up.
Okay. So Rosie, we are just waiting for the other friends. They should come soon.
Okay.
Okay. All of our friends are here. Okay, class, take a seat on the mat. Okay, class, we are going to watch a movie. The options are Peppa Pig, Paw Patrol, or Dora the Explorer. Peppa Pig it is.
We all love Peppa Pig.
Good. Okay, now it's lunchtime. Pick a spot where you guys want to sit. Okay, we all ate lunch. Now what would you like to do?
Raining today.
I know it is a rainy day, and I have a great idea. Let's play I Spy. Rosie, have you played the game before?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Rosie, it is about colors. You find what color things are and you say it.
Okay.
Rosie, how was your first day of daycare?
It was good. Rosie like Peppa Pig. Rosie like lunch. Rosie like I Spy.
Cool, I am glad you had a fun day at daycare.